Hello, 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 hello. This is Lab 2.2. This will be the last. I swear this will be the last video that I record like this because it's just. I'm doing this at the same time that I'm recording 1.1. So, the problem. So, using the Nmap, I started using the Mmap app function and to try and scan the IP network and the target network. I found a few services open, and depending on which IP address I was using, and it was kind of weird depending on whichever one I was using, or if I used like a domain name, it would just not work at all, which I found kind of odd. But running the when it did work, it would usually turn out. It would always show the filtered and unfiltered ports. Interestingly, it would consistently identify 3 or 4 ports that were operating on using TCP service. That were running FTP, RTSP, and real server services. The last address I tried also was operating domain service. It was usually port 21, 53, 554, and 7070. Those 4 were consistently the ones that would show up. Aside from that, though, the nmap command, and I wasn't able to get much utility out of it. It was talking about like setting up a mass ping, but but personally, I've gotten more use just pinging the website and getting an IP address to work with for stuff like Harvester for the Harvester for port for DNS Recon and that kind of stuff. Yeah, unfortunately, that seems to be all I could really get out of this lab. Yeah. I won't be able to do Lab 2.4 because it seems to require yeah. Once again, apologies for the black screen. I will try to fix that for next week. Get everything installed properly so that it's all in working order, because I seems to have screwed up a whole bunch of stuff in the installation process without really noticing it. It might have gotten ahead of myself all on the installation process. As things... aside from that, though, the nmap function, the nmap command does seem to be working as intended. It's just that I can't personally see the utility in it, based on like the results I was getting back. Maybe that was just the network that I was targeting it at. Maybe it was just how I was using it. Yeah.